Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you how to delete old update files after installing the update. So if you want to free up storage space on your Windows computer, this is an excellent way. To do this, first open the file explorer on your computer. Now go to the C drive. In this menu, go to the Windows folder. Here scroll down and find the software distribution folder. Open it. Now open the download folder. Here you will see a bunch of files. Just go ahead and select them all. Now click the trash icon at the top. Now you will be asked to confirm. Click continue to give the permission. After deleting all the files, close the file explorer window. Now go to the recycle bin, right click on it and select empty recycle bin. This will free up storage space on your computer and get rid of any old update files. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.